Okay, here we go. I'm nervous. Hey guys, I have returned with yet another video this week. This week, I'm gonna attempt to cut my own hair, and I'm a little bit nervous. So I'm just gonna do one of these. Yeah, so I'm a little nervous because I only used to cut my hair when I used to have like a ton of layers when I was younger, and I didn't really care how it turned out because I just kind of like make it look like this really like kind of shaggy look. So it's a lot easier to deal with, but now I just kind of want layers. My hair is like way too flat. Like this hair is just me blow drying it and that's it. And there's a dent in it because I had my hair up in a ponytail. But now I just want some, I don't know, like I just want some volume. I want the ends to be gone. Like my hair is starting to do that thing where it attaches to each other because it's just so damaged. Like that shouldn't happen. And it's always so tangled and it's really long. Yeah, so it's pretty long. And like, I like my long hair, I really do, but something needs to happen. I have these scissors. I mean, they were labeled like hair scissors, but I got them at this Japanese Asian store, so sorry dad, because my dad used to be a hairdresser. He's gonna be very disappointed in me by cutting my hair this way, but I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna attempt to do this. And sorry, I'm gonna be looking in the mirror because I really don't want to mess this up. So yeah, first things first is I'm gonna brush my hair and be very gentle because you don't want to break your hair. It's so damaged and it's so tangly, like I can't stand it. Brush it out so that there's no knots. I grew out my hair for so long that it just doesn't have layers, and now it's just kind of this. Like it's just this, it's flat and I don't like it. So I'm gonna just brush everything to the front of my head. Oh my god, my hair is so staticky. Just need some water to just get rid of the static. It's just too much. There's a lot here that I'm working with. I have a lot of hair as well. Really hard to just, okay, doing this right. Supposed to tie it like so. Okay, whatever. Okay, that looks not bad. Yeah, I think this is fine. I don't know. You're supposed to measure out how much you want to cut off, which is the tricky part because I don't really know how much I want to cut off. I already kind of have layers as well, so this is gonna be a little weird. Okay, maybe like this much. That's a lot. Oh my god, it's so nerve-wracking. Okay, whatever. I'm gonna try it. Let's do like here. That's so much hair. Oh my god. Okay, whatever. Let's just see how this turns out. I can't tell if that's too much. Okay, let's start a little bit less, and if we want to go more, we'll do it again. This much? My heart's racing right now. I'm actually so nervous. Okay, whatever. Who cares? We're doing it. We're doing it. Here we go. I'm nervous. Oh my god, it's cutting. Oh my god, it's cutting. YOLO, right? Ew. I don't like the way it's looking, like the ends. I'm gonna have to trim those. Like it already looks like it's like breaking. Ooh, these scissors are super sharp though. Okay. Whoa. That's so weird. That's a lot of hair. I'm making a mess. I definitely have to. I don't know how these are gonna turn. Guys, what the fuck? What the fuck? Okay. Oh. Oh. Not bad actually. Oh my god, it feels so much better. Like it actually feels so much better. Oh my god, I can run my hands through my hair. Okay. So now I have to kind of style it. So I'm gonna split my hair in the middle. Okay, it's pretty even. This part's kind of not even, but it's it doesn't look too bad to be honest with you. I don't want to make a mess. I'm gonna go like upward motions like this and just kind of cut my hair like that to give it more texture. But I also saw this girl just take the front parts of her hair, so I'm gonna do this. And guys, I actually like this a lot. God, my hair is like super split in the middle. I look like a grudge right now. Okay, so we're gonna do one of these. Cut. Thing is, after my dad left and moved to Japan, he was the only person that's ever touched my hair since I was a baby, like since I was fairly young. So now when I think about getting my hair cut, it scares me because I don't know if they're gonna know what I'm talking about when I ask them what I want. Like my dad just knew, you know, because he's my dad. He just knew. And he always cut my hair how I liked it. But, you know, you can't trust some people. I've seen some of my friends and all I can say is that not cute. Okay? So in the middle. Okay. Okay, that. So I'm gonna start going like down like that because I just want it to look less. Okay. Now to incorporate the rest of my hair into this. Well, I'm gonna shower and then I'll show you guys what it looks like after I shower and blow dry it a little bit. Maybe it'll look better because my hair, I've been at work all day anyway, so I'll come back. All right, so it is the next day and I blow dried my hair, and guys, I mean, the hair says it for itself, girl. Hello, hello, hi. And look, when I do this, ooh, that volume, ooh, what? Like, yes, I'm so happy with how this turned out. I was definitely extremely scared before doing it, but I'm extremely satisfied. Also for the fact that kind of cheap and I didn't want to pay someone to cut my hair. Also, I was scared for someone else to cut my hair, but I did it myself, paid no money, and I blow dried it and styled it. Also, if you guys want to see how I blow dried my hair to get it this way, just let me know, because I can show you guys, because I give myself blowouts quite often. I really enjoy the look of it. I think it's very elegant, but I just couldn't do it for a long time because of, well, you know, my hair was just one length. But having this much like more volume and just having these layers make it look a lot healthier, and just it feels less heavy on my head as well, and most of my dead ends are gone, which is really nice. And yeah, guys, I'm so happy with how this turned out. I can't even describe to you guys how happy I am. I'm just really happy, that's all I could say. So yeah, it works, guys. The ponytail thing works. So if you guys want to try it out, I really suggest it, but just know how to like kind of cut this part. This part is probably the trickiest because you just want it to look nice but still even. But yeah, anyway, I'm gonna go to work now and show everybody my new haircut. I'm so happy. I don't even know if anyone will notice, but I noticed, so that's what's important. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button. It only takes 1 second if you like my content. If you don't like it, that's fine, whatever. I don't really care. You know, like this video if you want, comment, blah blah blah, you know what is good. Thank you guys for watching my videos. I really appreciate you guys with the constant support. Guys, thank you. It means a lot to me. And like I say always, I post every Sunday, so stay tuned next week for another video. Yeah, that's all there is for this week, guys. It was a success, so I'm really happy. All right, guys, bye. Thank you for watching.